How to make ramen noodles. One match. One candle. Two match. One candle. Three match. One candle. Grab your ramen noodles. One egg. Put egg in water. Boil egg with water. Put heat on high. Let the egg boil for 7 minutes. Turn stove off. Cool egg with water. Mushrooms, green onion, red pepper, cilantro. That's the ingredient. Cut it however you like, but up and down is how I like it. Cut the onions sideways to give it a nice look. You don't want this. Cilantro, beef, everything you need. Smash egg to open. Use some force. Roll egg with both palms gently. Peel egg. Nice smooth looking egg. Pour hot water into ramen bowl. Add the raw beef. Cut the egg in half. Place ingredients into bowl. Add the seasoning, green onion, mushrooms, cilantro. Damn, this looks good. Use a microwave if needed.